Hello and welcome back to Kuki Decor, the channel where we celebrate the art of transforming natural and reclaimed materials into beautiful, timeless pieces for your home and garden. If you've been dreaming of adding warmth, charm, and character to your outdoor space, you're in for a treat. Today, we are diving into the world of reclaimed wood garden borders, a rustic yet stylish way to elevate your landscaping decor and embrace eco-friendly design. When it comes to landscaping, the edges of your garden often go overlooked. But think about it for a moment, garden borders set the stage for everything that grows inside them. They frame your flowers, outline your pathways, and create natural divisions that make your garden not only more organized, but also more visually striking. And when those borders are crafted from reclaimed wood, something magical happens. You're not just building a boundary, you're weaving a story of sustainability, history, and rustic beauty into your outdoor sanctuary. Imagine walking into your backyard and being greeted by weathered wood borders that showcase the unique textures, knots, and grains of reclaimed timber. Each piece of wood tells a story. Maybe it was once part of a farmhouse, an old barn, or even a forgotten piece of furniture. By giving it new life in your garden, you're not only creating functional edging, but also embracing a piece of history, carrying it forward into a fresh, inspiring chapter. Aside from its undeniable rustic appeal, reclaimed wood is eco-friendly. Instead of buying newly processed lumber, you're saving trees, reducing waste, and keeping materials out of landfills. A reclaimed wood garden border doesn't have to be complicated, it can be as simple or as intricate as you want. For example, you might use long planks placed horizontally for a sleek, minimalist border, perfect for separating a lawn from a flower bed. Or perhaps you'd prefer vertical posts cut at different heights, creating a playful, rustic fence-like effect that's perfect for a cottage garden. Some people even use mismatched pieces of reclaimed wood, letting the variety of colors, grains, and shapes add charm and character. One of the most popular and practical uses of reclaimed wood in garden edging is for raised beds. Not only do raised beds define your garden beautifully, but they also improve soil drainage and make gardening easier on your back. Another great idea is using reclaimed wood as edging for garden pathways. Picture a winding stone or gravel path bordered on each side by reclaimed planks or posts. The contrast between the smooth stones and the weathered wood creates a harmony that feels both intentional and natural, like it's always been there. And if you're feeling especially creative, you can combine reclaimed wood with other natural materials. Pair it with stones, pebbles, or even tree branches to create borders that look organic and connected to the landscape. This layered approach doesn't just beautify your garden, it makes it feel alive, textured, and truly one of a kind. Now, before we dive even deeper into design inspiration, let me pause for just a second. If you're enjoying this video, and you want to keep discovering more eco-friendly decor ideas, rustic designs, and creative wood projects, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Here on Kuki Decor, we share inspiring ways to transform your spaces with natural beauty, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's keep going. Another inspiring idea is to use reclaimed wood borders for themed garden spaces. For instance, if you're creating a small herb garden, imagine rustic wood edges surrounding a patch filled with rosemary, thyme, and basil. The aged wood feels right at home with fragrant herbs, and it instantly gives the space a cozy, farmhouse vibe. Similarly, if you're designing a flower garden, reclaimed wood borders bring a contrast that makes colorful blooms pop even more. What I love about reclaimed wood borders is how they connect us back to nature. Unlike plastic or metal edging, wood feels alive, it weathers, it changes, and it ages gracefully along with your garden. Over time, moss might grow on it, or the sun might fade it to a silvery patina. Instead of fighting these changes, reclaimed wood embraces them, adding character and depth to your landscaping. And here's something really beautiful: reclaimed wood borders aren't just decor, they are storytellers. Think about it. A plank from an old barn now sits in your garden, framing your roses. A post once part of a fence now guards your vegetable patch. Every nail hole, scratch, and groove tells a tale, and now it becomes part of your home's story too. Of course, reclaimed wood borders are not only aesthetic, but also functional. They prevent soil erosion, keep gravel or mulch in place, and define spaces so your garden feels organized and intentional. And since reclaimed wood is often thicker and sturdier than new lumber, it can last for many seasons with proper care. If you're new to DIY, don't worry, creating reclaimed wood borders can be simple. Start small. Gather a few planks or posts, measure out your garden bed, and anchor the wood in place. You don't need to be a professional landscaper to make something beautiful. In fact, the imperfections are what make it authentic and rustic. And speaking of DIY, here at Kuki Decor, we are all about empowering you to create unique, meaningful spaces. So if you'd like us to share step-by-step tutorials for specific reclaimed wood projects, let us know in the comments. We love hearing your ideas and tailoring our content to what inspires you most. Now, before we wrap up with some final design inspiration, let me remind you once more, if you're enjoying this journey into rustic and reclaimed decor, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of nature-inspired creators. At Kuki Decor, we believe every home and garden has the potential to be both beautiful and sustainable, and we'd love for you to be part of that vision. Another idea is to let your reclaimed wood borders double as seating. A wide, flat wooden border can act as a bench for guests to sit on, blending functionality with design. This is especially lovely for larger gardens, where you want spaces to pause and enjoy the view. And here's the best part: there's no single way to do it. That's the beauty of reclaimed wood garden borders. They invite creativity, flexibility, and personal expression. By using it for your garden borders, you're not only creating a functional landscape feature, you're crafting a story, honoring nature, and adding timeless charm to your outdoor sanctuary. Thank you so much for watching this video on reclaimed wood garden border ideas, rustic landscaping decor inspiration. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and that they spark your creativity as you design your own garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Kuki Decor. We'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments which idea you'd love to try in your garden, or share your own reclaimed wood project ideas. Your creativity inspires us just as much as we hope to inspire you. Until next time, keep creating, keep imagining, and keep bringing the beauty of nature into your spaces.